What is going on, everybody? This is Gucci Gaming's Fox McGucci, and I just want to give you guys a little indication of what's happened after this storm. I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough, pretty much. All the damage. As you can see, it's pretty damn high up. This is all part of the snowstorm we got hit by. As you can see, my beautiful brand new car is completely and utterly disgraced upon the snow community. Hills and hills, and trucks can't get out of here, four-wheel drive cars can't get out of here. It's Honda. And then let's just take a look at the beautiful snow plowing job of the Blue Rock community. Yep. And it's about as flat down as it gets. And the snow is pretty thick. It's pretty insane, as you can see. I mean, look at my hand. Absolutely zero down here. My hand's on the street right now too. So, alright guys, well, it's not a gaming video. It's nothing amazingly electronic related, but Mother Nature can be a powerful force, and you know, we didn't get any. I love snow. Winter's my favorite year. My birthday's in a couple of days. I'm a winter baby. I just love it. But you know, this is the damage that can be done when we don't get hit by a lot. We get it all at once here. Alright guys, Fox McGucci or Jordy, but either way, still got power, still got electricity, still got cable. So, got a little bit of shoveling to do. So, by the time you guys see this, I'll probably be done shoveling.